Hi, I'm Annette Pasternak, the Stop Skin Picking Coach. And can you believe it? Half of 2018 is almost over, or depending on when you're watching this. So I'm thinking about what I'm gonna do, okay, in the second half of the year. And one of the things I definitely intend to do is keep making you videos that you find really helpful. So first thing, just, if you have something in mind that you'd love me to talk about, definitely leave that in the comments. Go write a comment right now. Yeah, I want to give you all what you want, what you need. So that's first things first. But the reason I'm making this video actually is I'm thinking about writing either a new book or a substantially revised old book. Oh, I wish I had it here to hold up. Skin Picking: The Freedom to Finally Stop. So this, believe it or not, in January of 2019, in half a year from when I'm recording this video, that book is 5 years old, or will be 5 years old. The Kindle version I published in January 2014, and the paperback followed in, I think, April of 2014. And so it is coming up on the 5-year anniversary. So one of the things I'm thinking of doing is substantially revising it. I need your help. So I would love all kinds of your input. And I've created a survey for this, so you can find the survey in the description, in the YouTube description. And at any point, even if you're not seeing this right now, I'll leave the survey open and I'll check back. So the book will be in progress. I'll still presumably be working on it, in the fall and whatever. So definitely, if you could do me a favor, whether you've read my book or not, please hop on over and take the survey. So skipping around a little bit, I also, want you to comment if you have any questions for me, because I like to do Q&A videos. I think there are 2 or 3 so far, and I haven't done one in quite a while. So if you have some questions about skin picking or even related behaviors, if you have any skincare questions related to picking, I can certainly do videos on those. If you prefer not to comment on the YouTube video, I understand some people don't want their name showing up or anything. You can certainly contact me through my website or at support@stopskinpickingcoach.com. And my website, of course, is stopskinpickingcoach.com. So the book, so first of all, I think a lot of people don't even know that I have written a book. So if you don't, if you'd like to read it, it's in the YouTube description below the video. If you would like to hear it read rather than read it yourself, there's an audiobook of me reading the book, and that is available through Gumroad. There's a link also in my YouTube description for that. So yeah, if you haven't read either or heard it or whatever, yeah, go there. Because why wait over half a year, to get the new version when you need it now? Go get it now. And I'm not 100% sure that I'm going to make a new version or that I'm going to write a new book. So this is what the questionnaire is all about. So again, love your feedback on the questionnaire. So some things I'm thinking about is just updating it, a light revision where needed, or a completely revamped book, which I don't know yet if I sell it under the same description and all that stuff on YouTube, or if it has, on Amazon and etc., or if it has to be a completely different book. I have to still look into that, but tell me what you'd like. If you'd like a special topics book, maybe related holistic mental health strategies or something like that, or skincare for skin pickers. That's another one I was thinking about. So we can either, I can either incorporate more of this into the current book, or I can do separate, smaller books. Yeah, or who knows, some of those topics are probably their own. They could fill a whole book once I get going and do more research and stuff. So yeah, let me know what you think. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Just a super quick video today letting you know what I have available and what's to come, and seeing if you can help me shape what's to come if you have any input there.